Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to talk about how to allow others to share your Facebook page reels on their stories. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your page Facebook by tap in the 3 point at the top right, then tap here. Click again on the 3 point at the top right, scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. Choose Settings, scroll down, and from Audience and Visibility, choose Reels. And as you can see, here the option of allow others to share your Reels to their stories. All you have to do is turn on this option here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.